again. Hello again, everyone. So we're here again taking off the shoes. So I went to shopping today. I buy some fruits. I'm gonna show you. Hello everyone. This is my outfit today. And I'm going to buy mango. So come with me, guys. Ang mangga niya, pila ni? Ay, barato na lang, no?
90, kariwe 50.
Pila ang kuan. Matag hinog na. Ikaw, kanina? Ikaw,
Guapas, bata. Ay, puti.
mangga.
Americano na.
Mangga, ha? Nakaayo. Ay, sa mamilis ko dari. Ha?
Panit na iyan.
Akong tiil na, at pala ilay gamay na. Sana?
Ito man siya babang.
Ma.
Nakapupoy mo.
Kano ay sarina galing.
Mo naman na din dami, pinilian naman nila. Wala ka sa kilo puro na.
Dugo sa diya gabi nga to dito si Bilin. Di na po ni gabi nagtapok ra ingat sa taga dinhi gipangusla. Na po ni bata si Kwanti ano rin eh badi dito. Kanang kaluwa.
Abogado.
Dito po.
Abogado.
Duwa ni nga to.
Abogado ka na, kang abogado.
Sa yung bigawan.
Kalain.
Alam ka, abogado ka na. Ami mang aslom ka matagbo tagkaon. Mabusog atong tiyan anang di tabang bitaw.
Ta.
Puno kayong tiyan mo niya. Kami ko kasi kaon. All the shopping today. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. Bye. Internet. And for now, this is my outfit today because it's very hot outside. My God, still hot, hot as in hot. So now I'm gonna take off my shoes. So this is just simple outfit because I'm wearing my jacket today to protect me from the sun. So now I'm here again with this orange sandal. So I'm gonna take this off for you, and later on I'm going to unbox my shopping from Shein. So I still have my blue nail polish, so later on I'm going to change this one into red. That's all for now. So this is just a short video of me. Thank you everyone for watching. Love you all. Bye.